Don't know really who you are, but I hope that I meet you soon. And I wonder if I am faithful enough just to believe that maybe you're someone I've already met, or you're just an addition with a card up my sleeve. But I am ready to clown, ready to clown, ready to clown around with you. I'm ready to clown, ready to clown, ready to clown with you. So I sing to the raindrops and I sing to the breeze. I sing running fast and I sing on my knees. I sing when I'm sleeping and I sing in my dreams. Sing about any way a person can be. And I'm wondering if you're gonna hit me like some lightning, or if you're gonna run me like some thunder. And I don't know, but I'm ready to, I am ready to, I am ready to meet you. Ready to clown, ready to clown, ready to clown with you. Ready to clown, ready to clown, ready to laugh out life with you. Whoever you are, do you think you know me? Are you ready to meet me too? And that's another thought I haven't had. Maybe you're not ready to meet me as you. Maybe you have work to do, or need to do something, or move to Oregon, or maybe you just aren't. What? Ready to clown, ready to clown, ready to clown.